Malie. Ming just got a t-shirt printed for one of the locals. This is Samatau. Just going to go over and see what's there. It's just a cut-out stencils they're using. They're going to spray paint it.
May I have your attention, please? Will the real Slim Shady please stand up? I repeat, will the real Slim Shady please stand up? We're gonna have a problem here.
One more time, baby. Everybody busy. Everybody busy. Sip some respect.
January, do whatever necessary to get it through it.